So you're thinking of moving to Savannah, Georgia? Then this video is for you. Today we're going to take a look at one of the top builders in the area for Savannah. It is Konter Homes. They are in Savannah Highlands as well as Cottage Row and a few other communities here. Today we're going to be in Savannah Highlands taking a look at their available lots, one of their model homes, the huge one, the Oglethorpe, which is 4,000 square feet. If you want some bang for your money, bang for your buck. Yeah. They are one of the more affordable builders and their quality is good too. So if you really want to make your money go farther, they're a really, really great option. All right, guys, let's get to it. If this is your first time visiting our channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about what's going on in the Savannah market. I'm Jen Parmalee with Cozy Realty Group. Every day we get calls from people just like you, so whether you're moving here in 9 days or 9 months, please feel free to reach out to us. All of our information is in the description box below. We would love to help make your move to Savannah an easy one. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the Oglethorpe model home first. This house is 4,000 square feet, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and it has some really, really nice features that I think you're gonna like. Later on, we're gonna take a look at some of the lots that are, in my opinion, the absolute best in this neighborhood, and their price point is ridiculously low, but let's take a look at the model. All right, let's go. I wanted to show you some of the best lots. So we're going to be out at lot 546 and 547 right now. It is insane. These prices for lot premiums is $2,000 and $1,500 for these two lots. These are, going to fit like a standard size home. So the Thimble Mill and the Hathaways fit on here. You're going to see you've got the lagoon here, and then it backs to woods. So no neighbors, awesome view. You can see the geese over on that side, I hope. And it goes over that way. So if you are thinking of building one of the larger homes, so the Oglethorpe that we just took a look at earlier today, there's a couple lots over here that still back to the lagoon in the woods that are gonna fit those like very large floor plans, and those are $5,000 only for the lot premiums, which is absolutely insane to me. So I just wanted to give you guys an overview of these two lots. So this lot is number 547, and it's $2,000 at the premium for the lot. And then this one next to it, where the lagoon is not quite so deep or quite so wide, this one is $1,500 for the lot premium only. And I'm sure you can hear the birds. And just to show you a little bit more of the community, this is what's over on the other side. And we're gonna walk over to lots 540, 541, and 542 over here, which also have, they back to the lagoon with the woods as well. So I wanted to give you guys an idea of what those were like. And those lot premiums are all $1,500, except 534 is actually base price. So there's no extra for that one. So we'll take a look at those. And then there are a couple that back to woods that are really private, and those are protected wetlands, so there will not be any homes on the other side of these woods. But it is so pretty out here, and if you're driving around from the car, you really can't see these lagoons. It just looks like dirt from the road, so that's why I wanted to take you out here and give you a real close-up view. So this one right here is, we're at 544. And I'll kind of tell you as we go from the different markers. Looks like there's a little like kind of walking trail already behind here. And now we're at 543, lot 543. I believe those are already spoken for though as far as spec homes go, but they're not sold. If you want to build from the ground up and choose whatever you want, those two that I showed earlier are available, and then these ones right here. So 542 starts right here. You can choose your floor plan and build whatever you'd like. This one's kind of in the middle. I'll give you the view from over here. And we're coming to 541 right here. It's the start of 541. And now we're starting on 540. And these lot premiums are all only $1,500 for a lagoon that backs to woods, no neighbors behind you at all. And I bet it would be a beautiful walk in the morning around this lagoon. All right, and here's the boundary. So this is where lot 539 starts right here. So all the ones I just showed you are backing up to the lagoon. And then we're gonna take a walk a little bit farther down here just to show you some wooded lots. If you wanna be, if you're not so keen on the water and you'd rather just have woods behind you. And you can kind of see what's going on across the street. And across the street, they are building homes where there is a lagoon that kind of is in the middle. And there's some green space, but there are going to be homes on the other side. So you will see people there. But so right here, we're on lot 537. And these do have spec homes that are planning to be built on them. But when we get to 534, then that's where you would be able to choose your own home. Or floor plan, I should say. All right, let's get right in it. This is the start of 534 at that marker right there. And there is a bit of an easement, so you do have a larger space in between neighbors here. And this is what you'd be backing to. And 534, this is base price, so there is no extra lot premium for this lot. And then this is the property line right here. And then it turns to 533. Which you still got a good amount of woods for 533. And that's the boundary for that. And then this kind of like little bit of a corner lot is 532 here. But this one that we just went through that's backing to woods there, that one's a $1,500 lot premium. But that one in the middle didn't even have a lot premium. So I honestly cannot believe how inexpensive and how nice some of these lots are, especially for new construction. It is pretty hard to find something that has water with woods on the other side and not homes. It's just nice to have that privacy. And Konter and Savannah Highlands, their lots are a little bit bigger than in Cottage Row. You're looking at maybe 0.11 in Cottage Row. All right, well, thank you guys so much for sticking around with me today. I hope that giving you an overview of the Savannah Highlands has helped with some of the lots and one of the models. That kind of gives you a good idea of the finishes that you'll be seeing with Konter Homes too, even if you like a smaller model. And as you can see, I don't know if you can hear the birds behind me, but it is really quiet and peaceful, and there's quite a bit of wildlife here. So if you do like that, that might be kind of a nice feature as well. But thank you so much for watching. Please reach out to me if you have any additional questions or you want updates on availability or what some of the current incentives are with the builder. All of my contact information for me and my team is in the description box below. We would love to help make your move to Savannah an easy one. Hope to see you around town, guys.